Boys are getting the motor all built, finished, put it in the giveaway truck out there. Jeremy looks hyped to be doing it, stoked. But yeah, dropping this thing in pretty soon. Boys are getting this thing all dialed in. Give you guys a little close up of the block itself. Fresh torque converter just came in. The old giveaway rig. This is the thing we've been waiting on. Double box, double protection. Purdy. All right, so new motor is about to go in. Got the old motor out, no problems doing that. New motor's about to go in, about to queue up some time lapses for you boys, so here we go. Boys got the motor dropped in. Now it's just time to do the wiring. Our wiring harness is done, all wired up at least. Now it's just time to do lines and get this dude that won the truck and give it away. Get this thing out of here. Get a little light on there for you guys so you can see the red on this turbo. Looks so good. Dang, giveaway truck is gonna look fire. The truck's here, truck's done, it's built. So now it's just waiting on the guy to get here and deciding when he wants to come and pick up the truck and take it back to where he lives. I think he's from Texas. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a drive. I've made that drive before from Utah to Texas and back. It's not too bad, but it's gonna be one heck of a drive. But hey, you got a brand new truck, all his. Find a mystery box. So stay tuned for more giveaways, guys, because we're definitely doing more.